Assalamu warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Friends, one hadith, one story. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. The cherry tree. Ali and Aisha climbed the cherry tree and began to eat all the ripe cherries. Ali noticed that the cherries hanging at the branch tips looked better. Those branches look thin and won't hold your weight. These are just as good. Aisha said to Ali to stop him from going to the thin branches. But Ali didn't listen. He could think of nothing but those cherries. He crawled toward the thin outer branches of the tree. Before long, he found himself on the ground along with a broken branch. He had broken not only the long branch of the tree, but also his leg. He had to stay home for many weeks. He could only watch the other children climbing the tree and picking all the cherries. Ali's behavior was very greedy, wasn't it? What a thought-provoking warning the following saying of our beloved Prophet Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam is: if a man had 2 streams full of gold, he would still ask for a third. Only the grave can satisfy man's greed. Jazakallah for watching. Allah Hafiz.